Hello and welcome to the Academia. Thank you, my viewers. As I said that I will post at least a video every day. I just finished my work uh, and I thought, what should I put on? So I am recording it instantly. It is 9:53 p.m. and you will get this video around 10:30 or at 11 p.m. So the purpose of this video, let me tell you one thing. As you can see in my videos on my channel, that I'm keep posting model design, product design, assembly, static analysis, and FE analysis using CATIA. And I also post few videos, few tutorials which are, a part of a boot camp for Python, full stack, pandas, and NumPy. But today we are going to I'm going to introduce a very new thing for you guys. I know this software since 2012. I'm expert of this software, Ansys, called Ansys. And today I'm going to give you an introduction for this software. Let me share my screen so that you can see it. I hope you can see this Ansys workbench. This is a Ansys workbench. Okay. Uh, where you can import your structure, and the primary criteria of the product should be the structure should be closed. Okay, so that you can use those closed structure, and in next stage you can create a mesh, and after then you can create boundaries, and further after setting boundaries you can be able to calculate the relations, setting up the equations and the relations. Okay, so as you can see, this is on the left top corner. You can see that there is a new. So this new is for whenever you want to create a new analysis, you can click on it. Okay, and the second thing is open, that whatever you have been saved in this particular file, then you can open those tab from here as well. These are the reciprocatory, and as you can see that this is a import tab. After clicking on it, you can import any structure. It will redirect you to the structure. Okay, so right now I have multiple examples, but I don't know where they are. So it's better. So now you, as in general, you can, whenever you will select the file and open it, it will be open in this file, in this section. Okay, and on that behalf you can start your compute computation. Okay, so what kind of computation you can do? So this is a design assessment. You can check the design using this Ansys design parameters. You can check the electric. Okay. Oh, what I did, it should not happen right now. Okay, so let it be. Then you can also create explicit dynamics. uh you can you can do the fluid flow, uh polyflow. Okay, for the polyflow, fluid flow, extrusion, and fluid flow for CFX, fluid flow for fluent. So let me give you one example for Fluent, because I'm giving this example of Fluent because many of you must be aware of this Fluent. So to bring this, just press on this and bring it here, or you can double click on it. Let it open. Okay, I don't know what will happen. So now you can see here from here. This is a flow Fluent. Okay, to create this geometry, there are two options. Either you can import from the existing file, or you can create your own geometry. If you want to create your own geometry, then you can simply click on here. And now you can see that we are, in the workbench section, where you can see that it is asking us to keep the dimension in which parameter. So the standard parameter is millimeter, so I'm going with millimeter. Okay, and this is it. Now you have these planes, you can see here the xy plane, zx plane, yz plane, etc. What is, can you see this? Okay, so I was talking about this workbench. So as you can see that we have this xy plane, zx plane, and yz plane. Using any one of the plane, okay, now when you click on the plane, sorry, you will get this structure. And whatever the structure you want, like if you want to create a um, cube, so you need to first you need to create a rectangle, and then you just uh, extrude that. Okay, so using this xy plane, just go to the sketching and bring this rectangle. Okay, like this. Okay, and go to the modeling and then select it and extrude it. And now you can see that there is many dimensions. Okay, so this is not just like creating a dimension or bringing out any dimension. If you want to be a good CFX engineer or CFD designer, that you need to consider each and everything very precisely and very correctly. So now you can see that there are few details has been asked here, like what kind of geometry you want here, what kind of material you want to add in. So there is a library of material. If you want to add material, you can import the material. Direction vector, what should be the direction vector. If you want to reverse it, you can reverse it. If you want to change it, you can change it. Okay, so these are the depth, and so I'm keeping it normal. Okay, I'm keeping it normal, and I'm just extrude one. Okay, so so uh, this is the structure we created. Okay, as you can see that this is the structure we have. Yeah. Okay, so the video length is going bigger, I can come with the other parts day after tomorrow. Only if you guys are interested to learn these things, then I'm okay with it. Otherwise, my knowledge will be always with me. I'm carrying this since 2012 and I'm doing multiple projects. And I will also tell you that where you can use these skills. These skills could be very beneficial to you. Okay. Um, Let me show you something, or I will make different video, another video for that. Okay. So I'm just stopping it here. In next video, I will come with this, like, let me finish it. As you can see that we have been created our geometry. So there is a click mark. Okay. Let's come to the next step as well. So we have the mesh. Okay. So now generate a mesh. And I'm also um going to start a boot camp for those who are interested in additive manufacturing, who want to learn something for innovation with the design. If someone wants to discuss something related to intellectual property, and also one more thing, I am going to upload a video for those who are pursuing their MTech and PhD. I will guide them that how to prepare the thesis paper, the PhD research paper, and for also for grant writing skills. Dude, I told you. So this is preparing. Uh, Meanwhile, we can discuss this engineering data. Um, so now you can see that we have been created this mesh as well. Okay, and after that, we need to create a setup, and for that you need to go to the Ansys workbench, and it will redirect us. This is asking, continuously asking. Okay, so this is it for today. But tomorrow we will start from where I left this discussion. Okay, take care, and please watch, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye bye. One more, 1 minute, please.